Logan Central is a suburb of Logan that is undergoing significant infrastructure projects and expansion. Logan Central is approximately 25 minutes from Brisbane CBD, 40 minutes to the Ipswich CBD, 30 minutes to Redland Bay, and 45 minutes to Surfers Paradise. Logan Central has benefited from several recent Logan City Council infrastructure projects, including the Logan Central Civic and Community Precinct Plan, which was endorsed by Council in 2021 and provides a long-term vision for the upgrade of Logan Central. The new precinct aims to be like a central park for the Logan Central area. Council will now develop an action plan to deliver the various projects that will form part of the plan. The precinct plan covers close to 40 hectares of Logan Central. It includes the Council Administration Centre, Logan Art Gallery, Logan Central Community Centre, Logan Gardens, Logan Brothers Leagues Club, the Logan Entertainment Area, state agency buildings, and facilities for the Queensland Police and the Department of Main Roads. The plan from the Logan City Council is to develop a safe and healthy community and contribute to the development of a robust local economy through investment, stimulus, and attraction. The Logan City Council recently put together a number of small projects that aim to stimulate the local economy and enhance the standing of Logan Central. Council views Logan Central as a significant city centre, as it incorporates the council offices and chambers, the Logan Entertainment Centre, major retail centres, and a richly diverse community. Some of the key projects identified for Logan Central include a shared pathway and promenade from Wembley Road to Logan Gardens, connecting to the upcoming water park, incorporating gathering spaces, street furniture, lighting, and public art. Free Wi-Fi to Logan Gardens. A streetscape master plan for the Croydon Road precinct, including Croydon Road and its laneways, Station Road, Railway Parade, and Blackwood Road, and delivery of streetscape upgrades. Place branding, centre activation, and building improvement strategies aim to improve place identity, improving a nighttime economy, and encouraging landowners and business to invest in upgrades to shopfronts. Wembley Business Park, completed in 2016, is located on the corner of Wembley and Barden Roads. The site covers 19 hectares and has areas ranging from 4,000 to 40,000 square metres. The site has an ideal location with easy access to the Logan motorway and has leased to large companies including DHL, JB Hi-Fi and Windowware. Future stages are under construction and will come to market soon. There are several other significant industrial developments located along Wembley Road, with prominent national and international tenancies. With new industrial estates currently being developed, more employment will be created within the Logan Central area. Logan Central also has easy access to other large industrial sites, such as the new $1.5 billion Crestmead Logistics Estate project and the industrial estates at Magnesium Drive in Crestmead. Recent upgrades to the Logan motorway have made the entry and exit points at Berrinbar Industrial Estate much less congested and allow more efficient connections onto Wembley Road. Logan City Council is transforming the Kingston Butter Factory precinct into a world-class art, culture and entertainment precinct. The Kingston Butter Factory building is being redeveloped as a performing arts and cultural heritage hub, including a living museum. Outside, the spacious 14-hectare grounds are being developed into the city's largest purpose-built outdoor event space, with a capacity for 5,000 patrons to see national and international acts and host significant festivals, markets and community events. Logan Central has many existing amenities, including schooling, medical, government services and shopping. Logan Central Plaza, located on Wembley Road, is the suburb's large central shopping centre and offers more than 53 stores, including cinemas and restaurants. Logan Central is home to the Logan Entertainment Centre, located on Wembley Road. The centre is Logan City's premier entertainment venue and hosts various concerts and exhibitions. Logan Central is well serviced for transport, with TransLink buses offering numerous services. Residents can choose from either Kingston Station or the Woodridge train station, as both are located close to the suburb and offer trains north to Brisbane and south to the Gold Coast. The Logan Central Implementation Plan was approved on the 26th of February 2019 to guide the planning and delivery of priority projects and programs in Logan Central. The plan builds on the overall aims of the Logan Central Master Plan and includes the outcomes of the Logan Central Summit held in 2018. Logan Central benefits from its central location and proximity to other major centres in and around the Logan area. With the new council plans in place to transform the Logan area, combined with the gentrification starting to happen across the suburb, Logan Central will be an interesting place to watch over the next few years. There are a number of higher density areas around key amenities in the suburb, which is starting to see the development of new residential projects such as apartments and townhouses. Logan Central's relative affordability, combined with the existing and emerging infrastructure and amenities, will see it as a popular place for first home buyers, young families and investors. If we can assist you with further information on this, or any other property related questions, please don't hesitate to send through an inquiry below. And if you'd like to see some of the high yielding investment property options that you can do in Logan Central, please see one of the following videos.